Welcome to the plant paradise. This lab functions like the ICU for plants, boasting the ability to nurture a whopping 800,000 to 1 million plants under meticulously controlled conditions. Think of it as a spa retreat for your poor, overworked houseplants. And trust me, a healthy environment is like a day at the beach for these green buddies. Now, let's dive into the magical world of micropropagation. This key technique in tissue culture is basically cloning 101, producing multiple plants from a single mother plant. It's like having your cake and eating it too, but with plants. The process involves meticulous sterilization and perfectly balanced growth media, ensuring that each offspring is a plant of perfection. Speaking of perfection, maintaining sterility in the lab is absolutely critical. Picture a laminar airflow hood as the bouncer of this plant nightclub, keeping unwanted elements out to prevent contamination. If you're looking for a successful tissue culture process, you better get past this VIP section. Let's not forget the Syngonium crop, which boasts over 200 species. This plant is like the diva of the horticulture world, known for its ornamental value and the potential for growers to rake in some serious profits. The growth process in the lab is vital. After all, every diva needs a good stage to perform. On a sweeter note, meet the blue Java banana, celebrated for its creamy vanilla flavor and distinctive bluish appearance. It's the banana that wants to be both delicious and aesthetically pleasing. However, these beauties come with a hitch. Their production costs are higher, thanks to their genetic instability. We can't have everything, can we? But wait, health matters. Testing for viruses in plant cultures is a must for maintaining health standards in this leafy realm. In our lab, rigorous testing is key to ensuring that only the healthiest virus-free plants are sent out for commercial production. It's like a health checkup for plants. No one wants to send out sick seedlings. Now, let's talk about hard seeding. This process has primary and secondary stages to get those young plants all lined up and ready for their big debut in the soil. It's a bit like prepping for prom, taking about 10 to 12 months, so you know these plants are going to be drop-dead gorgeous. In the banana tissue culture lab, keeping things organized is crucial. The multiple stages include selection, multiplication, and rooting, a triathlon for plants to ensure they're strong and healthy. Of course, don't forget the virus checks, because quality control is the name of the game. Let's get fruity. Different varieties of bananas, like red banana and lucky, are cultivated through tissue culture, appealing to the diverse taste buds of South India. Each type brings its own nutritional benefits to the table, making this a delightful banana buffet. Now, banana hardening might sound like a tough workout routine, but it involves two stages, primary and secondary hardening, with precise temperature control to help these plants flex their muscles for optimal growth. The whole process takes about a month, getting them ready to face the tough world out there. Soilless media is the unsung hero of this cultivation saga. By ditching traditional soil, we prevent diseases that can hitch a ride from soil to plants. It's like upgrading to first-class travel, way to healthier plants while minimizing the risk of pests and viruses crashing the party. And then comes the acclimatization of the plants, a gradual transition to field temperatures. Think of it as their rite of passage. This careful adjustment is crucial for helping them survive and thrive in various environments, like moving from the couch to the wild. The total crop age for bananas typically spans 11 to 12 months. But with some savvy farming techniques, eager farmers can bring in the harvest in just 10 to 11 months. Talk about cutting down on the waiting time. Patience is indeed a virtue, except when it comes to bananas. With continuous harvesting, farmers can ride the crop rotation wave and maximize productivity. It's like a never-ending buffet of bananas. Who wouldn't want that for their land? Finally, utilizing tissue culture methods helps keep those pesky diseases at bay while enhancing crop uniformity. This means more bananas, better income, and some happy farmers. It's like finding the golden ticket in the Wonka factory. Sweet success for everyone involved.